to the Moogle Creations. In this video we are going to discuss number system conversion. Last class we have discussed about decimal into other number system. In this video we are going to discuss about other conversions like other number system into decimal, binary into octal vice versa, binary into hexadecimal vice versa, octal into hexadecimal vice versa. Now we will see about other number system into decimal. To convert any other number system into decimal number system, you have to multiply each digit by its positional weight and add all of them. For example, consider binary number 10110.11. You know about the positional weight. We already discussed about the positional number system. So it is having the weight 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. This is the fractional part. It is having the weight 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2. Now you have to multiply each digit by its positional value. Okay, that means positional weight. 1 into 2 to the power minus 2, 1 into 2 to the power minus 1, 0 into 2 to the power 0, 1 into 2 to the power 1, 1 into 2 to the power 2, 0 into 2 to the power 3, 1 into 2 to the power 4. Now see the value 1 into 2 to the power minus 2, 0.25. 1 into 2 to the power minus 1, 0.5. 0 into anything? 0. 1 into 2 to the power 1, 2. 1 into 2 to the power 2, 4. 0 into anything? 0. 1 into 2 to the power 4, 16. Now add the value 22.75. This is the decimal equivalent for the binary number 10110.11. This is how you have to convert binary into decimal. This method is not only applicable for binary. To convert octal into decimal, to convert hexadecimal into decimal, or any other number system like quaternary, ternary into decimal, you can follow this method. For example, consider octal number 163.4. So here also you have to multiply each digit by its positional value. So 4, this is the fractional part. It is having the positional weight a to the power minus 1. And 3 into a to the power 0. 6 into a to the power 1. 1 into a to the power 2. So what is the value for 4 into a to the power minus 1? That means 4 divided by 8. So that is equal to half. So 0.4. Next. 3 into a to the power 0. a to the power 0 value 1. So 3 into 1, 3. 6 into a to the power 1. That means 48. Next. 1 into 8 square, 64. 64. So total value 115.5. So decimal equivalent for the octal number 163.4 is 115.5. Same applies for hexadecimal. Consider CAB.6. So multiply each digit by its positional value. 6 into 16 to the power minus 1. B into 16 to the power 0. A into 16 to the power 1. C into 16 to the power 2. Okay. Now multiply 6 into 16 to the power minus 1. That means 6 divided by 16. After cancelling 3 divided by 8. So 3 divided by 8 equal to 0.375. Next. B into 16 to the power 0. 16 to the power 0, 1. So 1 into, what is the B value? B equal to 11. So 11 into 1, 11. Next. A into 16. What is the A value? 10. So 10 into 16, 160. Next. C into 16 to the power 2. What is the C value? 12. 16 square, 256. So 12 into 256, 3072. So total 3243.375. So this is the decimal equivalent for the hexadecimal CAB 0.6. This is how you have to convert any other number system into decimal number system. For octal and hexadecimal, this is the direct method to convert octal into decimal and hexadecimal into decimal. You can also follow this one, that means to convert octal into decimal, you have to first convert octal into binary and then convert the binary into decimal. So this is the indirect method. Same for hexadecimal. To convert hexadecimal into decimal, you have to convert hexadecimal into binary and again convert that binary into decimal. You can follow any method, but for a larger values this is quite difficult, so better follow this one. Okay, next we will discuss about binary into octal. We already discussed about the binary into octal in the introduction of number system. So how to convert? First we have to do grouping. You have to group 3 bits starting from right side for integer part, and for fraction part you have to do the grouping starting from left side. Okay, so here you have to group like this. Here we have only one digit, so you have to add 2 more bits, that is 0. Now write the octal equivalent for the 3 bits. 110, 6, 010, 2, 101, 5, 110, 6, 100, 4, 001, 1. So here you have point. So 1465.26. This is the octal equivalent for the binary number. This one. Next one, octal into binary. That is also easy. Just invert this one. That means consider the value 743.5. Here you have to represent each digit by equivalent 3 binary bits. That means what is the value of 5? 101. Okay, 3 bits. You have to represent in 3 bits. And what is the value of 3 binary? 11. Okay, but you have to write 011. Okay, 3 bits. Then for 4, 100, and for 7, 111. Okay, and here you have point 111100011.101. That's all about binary into octal and octal into binary. Now we will discuss about binary into hexadecimal. To convert binary into hexadecimal, you have to follow this one. Only thing you have to change, here you are grouping 3 bits, there you have to group 4 bits. For example, consider the value. So here you have to group 4 bits. For integer you have to start from right, and for fractional part you have to start from left. Okay, so now do the grouping. Here you have only 2 bits, so to make 4 bits add 2 zeros, and here you have 3 bits, to make 4 bits add 0 here, and now tell the value 1010. 1010 means A. Okay, hexadecimal value 1010 A. Next 1011 B. Next 111 7. Next 11 3. Okay, so 37 B point A. Next hexadecimal into binary. Consider the value A, B, C, point D. So same procedure, you have to follow this one. Here you represented each digit by its equivalent 3 bits. Here you have to represent each digit by its equivalent 4 bits. Okay, 4 binary bits. So what is the value of D? 1101. And for C, 1100. And for B, 1010. 1 1, and for A 1 0 1 0. Okay, here you have point, so 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 point 1 1 0 1. Okay, so this is how you have to convert binary into octal, vice versa, and binary into hexadecimal, vice versa. Next one, octal into hexadecimal. So here, to convert octal into hexadecimal and hexadecimal into octal, there is no direct method. To convert octal into hexadecimal, first you have to convert octal into binary. Then you have to convert binary into hexadecimal. Same for hexadecimal into octal. First you have to convert hexadecimal into binary. Then you have to convert binary into octal. For example, consider the octal number 6253.3. So how to convert octal into binary? Just now we have discussed. We have to represent each digit by its binary equivalent, 3 bits. Okay. So what is the value of 3? 0 1 1 and 0 1 1. 1 0 1. 0 1 0 for 6. 1 1 0. Okay, and you have point here. So now you have to convert this binary into hexadecimal. Okay. So how to convert binary into hexadecimal? You have to group 4 bits. Okay. So do the grouping. Here you have only 3 bits. So add one more 0. So now tell the value. What is the 110 for hexadecimal value? 6. Next 1011 B. 1010 A. 1100 C. So octal value 6253.3 equal to CAB.6. Next, do the same thing for hexadecimal into octal. First you have to convert hexadecimal into binary and binary into octal. Now consider the same example, CAB.6. First you have to represent each digit by its equivalent 4 bits. Okay, so 0 1 1 0, and for B 1 0 1 1, and for A 1 0 1 0, and for C 1 1 0 0. Now you have to do the grouping. Here you have a point. So what is the value? 6253.3. Okay, you got the same value. That's all about number system conversion. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, click the like button and share this to your friends.